In today's video we will see how to fix the ASUS Zephyrus G14 not detecting monitor, USB-C alt mode and the driver and fix. So the fix one, you can check USB-C alt mode support. Make sure you are using the correct USB-C port. Then after, you can use a USB-C to HDMI or display port cable, not charging only cable. Then try another cable if possible. The fix 2, you can force detect monitor in Windows. So press Window plus I to open the setting. Then go to system or display. Then click on system and then go to display. Now scroll down and click on detect. The fix 3, you can update the graphics driver. Right click on start or the device manager. Click on expand display adapter. Then click on right click GPU and update driver. And then at last you can restart the laptop. The final fix, update USB plus chipset driver. Open the device manager, then click on expand universal serial bus controller, then update all USB driver and restart your laptop. Goodbye.